How many brains does an octopus have? In many ways, octopuses are the closest thing to having aliens on Earth. These intriguing cephalopods are incredibly unique, boasting 3 hearts pumping blue blood. Perhaps more noteworthy, however, is the fact that these sea creatures have more than one brain. In addition to a central brain located between the eyes, octopuses have separate, mini-brains, at the base of each of their 8 tentacles. Unlike most creatures, octopuses have 9 brains, and they put them to incredibly adept use. Given all the brainpower they ostensibly have, shouldn't octopuses rule the world? Not quite. Although they have a central brain and 8 separate ganglia, or mini-brains, their nervous systems are wired entirely differently from most vertebrates, including mammals like humans. Still, compared with most invertebrates, octopuses are remarkably intelligent. These intriguing oceanic creatures have versions of short and long-term memory, for example. They are even capable of recognizing individual people by sight. 9 brains. The anatomy of an octopus's nervous system. Octopuses possess a central brain. Situated between their eyes, this brain has a distinct donut-like shape, forming a ring around the creature's esophagus. Technically, when an octopus ingests food, it passes through the center of this central brain. This is just one of many facts highlighting how different the anatomy of an octopus's nervous system is compared to vertebrates and many other invertebrates. Neurons are like messengers that send signals and information from the brain to various parts of a creature's body. Across its entire body, the typical octopus, scientific name Octopus vulgaris, possesses approximately 500 million neurons. That may sound like a lot, but humans have upwards of 100 billion. However, octopuses have roughly the same number of neurons as dogs, known for their ability to learn various commands. Therefore, it's not much of a stretch to say that octopuses are keenly intelligent, especially for invertebrates. Approximately 180 million of the 500 million neurons found in an octopus are concentrated in the central brain. Roughly 40 million or so additional neurons are located in each of the ganglia of each of its 8 arms, or tentacles. Therefore, 320 million of an octopus's neurons, more than 2/3 of them, are found at the bases of its arms rather than in its central brain. Incredibly, a single octopus arm possesses more neurons than you will find in a frog's entire body. Just one of many intriguing facts about their nervous systems. Because each arm has its own ganglia, or cluster of neurons, each arm can act independently of an octopus's central brain and other arms. The neurons at the base of each arm connect to suckers spread across it. Typically, each arm has roughly 250 suckers. Each sucker may have around 10,000 neurons, which it uses to detect physical sensations via touch. These neurons also sense chemicals, allowing each arm to smell and taste objects while exploring them. Octopuses lack proprioception. This means that they don't have a fixed map in their minds, allowing them to know what various parts of their bodies are doing. While a human can target a spot on their back without physically seeing it, octopuses lack this perception entirely. There's a good reason for this. Unlike humans, octopuses don't maintain a static body shape. Instead, their bodies are remarkably fluid, constantly changing to adapt to the environment. Octopuses make up for their lack of proprioception by having those separate, mini-brains, at the base of each of their 8 arms.